I'm Curly Cuber, and I wanted to find out how well I knew all the 3x3s in my collection from heart. This is the RS3M 2020 X Cube. This is a cube I bought at a stationery store back in 2019, and it turned absolutely terrible. Doesn't have a name. This has to be the MF3RS3 that I got back in 2019. That is completely damaged. This is the Ocean Fire. Next cube. This is the MGC 3 Elite. Next cube. This is a 4x4. How did it get here? 28V3. Cube. This is the WRN 2021. Next cube. No. This is the 28V3. Next cube. Rubik's brand 3x3. It's extremely easy to identify. Now. GAN 11M Duo. Yep, this is the GAN cube. This is the RS3M 2020 with added magnets. I think we're all done, so I'm going to take this off and okay, we're done. Well, that's that. I am not sure if I did so well, but if I did, I'll leave the score right here. If I did well, thank God. If I didn't, well, at least you know how well I know my cubes as of now. I thought this was going to be easy, but it was way harder than I thought. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm Curly Cuber, and I want to see you happy.